In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Claude AI account quickly and easily. Whether you signed up with your email and password or you used Google to create your account, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can get into Claude without any confusion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to claude.ai login. This is the official Claude login page, and it's where you'll begin the sign-in process. Once the page loads, you'll see the login options on your screen. If you created your account using your email address and password, enter your email in the first field and then type your password in the second field. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered correctly, especially your email address, since a small typo can stop you from signing in. After that, click the login button to continue. If you originally created your Claude account using Gmail, then instead of typing your details manually, look for the Continue with Google option. This is the faster method for Google-based accounts, and it will connect you directly to your Claude profile through your Google sign-in. Click Continue with Google, and then a Google account selection window will appear. Now choose the Google account that you used when you signed up for Claude. If you have more than one Google account on your device, make sure you select the correct one so you log into the right Claude account. Once you choose the account, Claude will verify your login and take you straight into your dashboard. At that point, you are successfully logged in and ready to start using Claude AI. From here, you can begin chatting, asking questions, generating content, or working on whatever task you need help with. As you can see, logging in is very straightforward once you know which method you used to create the account. If you signed up with email, use your email and password. If you signed up with Google, use the Continue with Google option and select your account. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more quick AI and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.